When camping, do you often find yourself in need of power for electronics and a large table for necessities? What if we can innovate equipment that provides both energy and space? Introducing INNOPOWER, a solar panel that easily transforms into a camping table. It folds up in seconds and transports effortlessly. With an extra junction box, INNOPOWER provides clean energy and large space for all your mobile devices and camping gadgets. It fits all scenarios, acquires the optimal tilt angle easily, and charges the power station quickly. Highly efficient PV material achieves maximum output. With inbuilt zippers and Velcro strips, it can be connected to create as large a surface as you desire. An absolute must-have for all outdoor activities. It is strong enough to hold its accompanying power station and can pack itself down to a portable case. INNOPOWER, a solar table that innovates your camping life.